Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing great. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how you are going to generate a video using Hailuo Ai. All right, it is very easy. All right, no complication. All right, so before we begin, if you know you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'm gonna keep updating you with good informations like this. All right, first of all, what you need to do is you just need to create some prompts. You need to make sure you have some image that you are going to Hailuo Ai convert your image, a photo, into video. All right, that's what the AI do, Hailuo Ai. All right, so what we are going to do right now, we are going to generate some photos using Gemini. Then after we got the photos, then we are going to Hailuo Ai to make that particular photos into video. All right, and there are a lot of other different things that you can do with Hailuo Ai. All right, so what we are going to do right now, we are going to generate photo. All right, so first of all, I'll go to my Google Gemini. I have made a video on how to generate photo with Google Gemini. It's easy. You just need to create a prompt. All right, you just need to create a prompt first. So what you need to do is, I need a photo. I need you to generate a photo of an African kid in a local African home, in a local African town. All right, so I need you to generate a photo of an African kid in a local African time going to school. All right, so as you can see, this is my prompt. I'm done with my prompt. Now I'm going to generate the photo now. So after generating the photo, let's wait a bit for the Gemini to generate the photo for us using Nano Banana. So as you can see, guys, my photo is ready. My image is ready. All right, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to open my Hailuo app. Here is my Hailuo Ai, and as you can see, this is the homepage of Hailuo Ai. So what we are going to do right now, we are going to go to image to video. When you look up here, you see image to video. Then I'm going to touch image to video, and then I'm going to press new creation. All right, so as you can see here is where to start a frame. This is start a frame. Then I'm going to touch start a frame like this. Then I'm going to add that. Oh, it's here is the image. I'm going to add it. As you can see, it is uploading. So as you can see, I have uploaded image. Now the next thing is to tell this AI how I want my video to be like. All right, so make the character in the portal to start running. All right, so I'm going to make the boy on this video to start running. All right, so this is going to change from a photo into a video. All right, so I will press finish, then I'm going to press here. Look down here, you see where 15. I'm going to use 15 points out of my points that I have. All right, so I'm going to press it like this. When I press it, it's going to take a few moments and it is going to turn this into a video. All right, so you have to wait a little bit, then this is going to be turned into a video. All right, so it's very easy as that. And the second feature after this is we have another feature here. I'm going to wait for that. I'm going to cancel here. So if you want to use any of these templates, this is a template created by AI. So if you want to put your face, you want to use your photo and use the same template, as you can see here. If you want to change the photo on this, you want to change the face, you want to put your face on, you just need to touch it. When you touch it like this, as you can see here, is one of them. As you can see here, if you want to use my face, I can easily, if I touch use template like this, use template, it is going to take me to my library, and I'm going to use my face to use this video. Right, so I think this AI is kind of like super easy, and this is working greatly. It's one of my favorite right now. And let me show you my work. My work isn't, as my Wi-Fi is not that good, but yeah, as you can see, is I am on 70%. All right, 70%. So I have to wait a bit longer for the the reason why it's taking this much time is because of my Wi-Fi. All right, my Wi-Fi. So as you can see, the video is ready. Let's wait a bit longer. I think it's ready. As you can see, the boy is will start running. As you can see, the boy is running. So if you want to use this footage here, you have the when you go to your you have to go to your editing application. You have to, if you are going to make a very long video, you have to use different portals, different action, and different fonts. All right, so as you can see, I've made this video, I've made this portal, the boy on this portal running. As you can see, the boy is running and smiling. It looks very good, it looks amazing. All right, so when you have an editor, you can cut the parts where the boy is walking and use the parts that where the boy is running for your video. I think this is educative and you love this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press download. When you look down here, I'm going to download this video with watermark, without watermark. I'm going to touch without watermark. All right, so as you can see, the video is successful. All right, so this is how to make videos. So you can make a complete movie this way. All right, any scene you wanted to create, you can create the scene using the same process that I show you in this video. If you really do enjoy this video, if you learn something from this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And let me tell you something, this AI is beyond this. There are a lot of things that you can do with Hailuo AI. This is just a bit of what you can do with this AI. All right, so this is amazing and I love this, and I think you will really learn from this. Thank you for watching and peace.